Hi, I'm Carrie. So you're looking for a new home? I'm excited to tell you everything Harkey Creek has to offer. Here, you can own a new home at a great price near Sun Valley schools. First things first, look at this amazing kitchen. Imagine hosting your family and friends around this large island. Plus, the open concept floor plan lets you cook without missing out on any of the action in the living room. And when you need to escape, come home to an owner's suite that is designed for relaxing. Whether you prefer it upstairs or downstairs, we have the floor plan for you. With options for flex rooms or extra bedrooms and baths, you can build a home to truly fit your needs. At Harkey Creek, you'll get more than just a beautiful new home. You'll also have future amenities and an amazing location. Sun Valley Commons has shopping, dining, and entertainment, all just minutes from your new home. Take the next step and come visit us at Harkey Creek. I can't wait to welcome you home.